Huawei, Honor, and Oppo are making inroads into the foldable smartphone industry, which Samsung has dominated. In 2023, Samsung released the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which improved upon its predecessor in small ways. However, compared to its competitors, it needs to improve regarding groundbreaking advancements. On the other hand, Samsung has a more extensive distribution network and desirable trade-in alternatives. Design and display. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 looks like its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but it has some significant upgrades. The dust-gathering problem found in earlier models has been fixed with the new flexed hinge, which allows it to fold fully flat. The phone's weight has been reduced, and its folded profile has shrunk slightly for better handling. Even if the flexed hinge helps, it is still visible on the inner folding screen. The camera bump no longer houses the LED flash, and 3 new color options, iced blue, black, and cream, replace the previously available green. Samsung's website is the only place to get the blue and gray options. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 keeps the same 6.2-inch AMOLED display with 48 to 120 Hz refresh rate and HD+ quality found on the previous model. While the Google Pixel XL's display isn't as large as the Pixel XL's, it still stands out. The maximum brightness of the primary 7.6-inch QXGA Plus foldable screen has been increased by 30% to reach 1750 nits, making the screen easier to see in direct sunlight. Samsung asserts that its new shock dispersion layer significantly increases durability. Screen repairs are discounted, and Samsung will replace the built-in protector for free once. The IPX8 certification and upgraded Galaxy Z Fold 5 covers are welcome additions. Unlike the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 does not have a built-in S Pen slot, so you'll need to carry around and store your S Pen in a separate case. Specs. Upgraded hardware and software make the Fold 5 an improvement over the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Boosting performance is a primary Cortex-X3 core that operates at 3.36 GHz. The phone has 2 storage options, 256 GB or 512 GB, with a 1 TB model sold on Samsung's official US web store. The enhanced cooling mechanism guarantees effective heat dissipation even during taxing activities like gaming. Since the Snapdragon chip is more energy efficient, battery life may be maintained despite its high performance. The same 25-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging speeds are available. 5 features include Bluetooth 5.3 and 5G speeds, Wi-Fi 6E, dual SIM with eSIM, USB Type-C 3.2, NFC, and more. The Fold 5 does not have a satellite connection. Thus, it needs to be in an area with good network service to work. Software. Samsung often releases FreshPoint builds of One UI alongside the introduction of new high-end Galaxy handsets. One UI 5.1 debuted on the Galaxy S23, but the Fold 5 remains on the previous 5.11 version. It's based on Android 13, but the skin adds several features optimized for foldable displays. Improvements include a faster switch between pop-up and split-screen modes and enhanced app previews on the Recent Apps tab. The taskbar can now show icons for up to 4 recently used programs. Users of previous Fold smartphones will be able to enjoy the same enhancements on their devices with the introduction of One UI 5.11 just a few weeks after the debut of the Fold 5. Like Samsung's other flagship smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will receive 4 years of Android updates and 5 years of security fixes. This means the phone will continue receiving Android 17 and security upgrades until July 2028. Cameras. The Z Fold 5 has no newly developed camera sensors or significant imaging enhancements. It keeps the same camera configuration as the Fold 4, which has a 50 megapixels primary camera with optical image stabilization, a 12 megapixels camera with an ultra-wide angle lens, and a 10 megapixels lens with a 3x telephoto zoom. The front-facing 10 megapixels focal length of 2.2 camera and the 4 megapixels depth sensor underneath the screen have remained the same. Even though it can take high-resolution 50 megapixels, still photographs and record films in 4K at 60 FPS and 8K at 30 FPS. The only noticeable change is a quicker image signal processor, ISP, built into the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 for Galaxy chip, which may improve image quality in certain situations. On the other hand, the camera has retained much of its functionality from its predecessor. Release date and price. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 were unveiled at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on July 26, 2023. Both foldable phones, which are visually distinct from one another, are currently available for pre-order and will begin shipping to major markets and carriers on August 11. Pre-ordering allows you to take advantage of a promotion that gives you the 512 GB choice for the price of the 256 GB model. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any of our videos.